पणजे बुधवारा एसओ कॅमान जीएसटीचेर दवरिल्ल्या संवादाच्या उक्तावणाक रेल्वे मंत्री सुरेश प्रभू आनी कोंकण रेल्वेचो एमडी संजय गुप्ता आशिल्लो। गोंयचो कोंकण रेल्वेचो रूट डबल करपा इतले ट्राफिक नाशिल्ल्यान सध्या कॅपॅसिटी डबल करपाचो प्लान चल्ला।
And to increase the number of trains, increase the number of passengers, increase the number of freight trains, because traffic is growing. We are already at 120-130% capacity we are running. So we have started doubling it from the north end. So one first 46-kilometer doubling is already going on. For the balance portion, we have planned for capacity doubling, not doubling the entire train, because doubling means increasing the capacity by 4 or 5 times. That kind of traffic is still not is available on this line, and if God permits and mining permits, then maybe. Okay, so for that kind of traffic, we are going to do fast doubling. That project is in advanced stage now. It has to go to NITI Aayog and it has to be already cleared by Railway Ministry.
कोंकण रेल्वेच्या ट्रॅकार सेफ्टी खातीर चडशे पयशे मोडचे पडटात। तिकेटींतल्यान 60% येणावळ येता, तिचेरूय खंय रेल्वेक प्रॉफिट मार्जिन सामकीच कमी।
It's a very low margin business, although we are last financial year in 16-17 our net profit was 62 crores, but the entire railway business, especially Konkon Railway being a passenger railway, it has large, but 60% of its income comes from passenger. So our margins are very small. We have very small operating margin. A large part of it goes towards debt repayment. So we have to concentrate. Our first priority is safety. So we have to spend a large part of our money to ensure safety, especially considering that it's a track in this kind of a terrain where there are lots of tunnels, lots of embankments, lots of bridges.
तेजस लक्झरी ट्रेनीक गोंयांत करमळे लास्ट स्टॉप दिला। पॅसेंजरांची वेवस्था जावची म्हूण पणजे सावन तेजसाक कनेक्टिंग कदंबा सुरू करपाचो विचार चल्ला।
People from Margao could not find it economical to travel by cab and board the train from KARMALI.
See what we are, there are trains from Margao to KARMALI, but what we have now, we have spoken to the State Transport Corporation in Kalpa. They are from 1st of July. They have started a service, AC bus service from Panjim bus stop to KARMALI station to match with the Tejas timings. So when the incoming Tejas comes, there will be an AC bus, maybe one if it gets full, or whatever. Sometimes if people like that service, if there are more people, then they maybe increase the numbers. But today, one bus will come, one AC bus from KARMALI to Panji, and for outgoing, another bus from Panji to KARMALI. So there is a bus service that has been linked with that.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकिक शिलकर आनी व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुकाराम मराठे।